Welcome to the all-new LV5 by Dave & Matt Vans. Our mid-sized lifestyle vehicle is built on the RAM ProMaster 159-inch wheelbase and offers the most customizable interior build in our fleet. With 2 bed and storage configurations, the LV5 enables owners to create a living and storage space that is perfect for their unique lifestyle. Compatible with all of our optional upgrades, the LV5 is truly built for you. Our fully redesigned interior maximizes utility, comfort, and style to bring your van life experience to the next level. At 19 feet 8 inches long, the same length as the average pickup truck, the LV5 maintains maneuverability on back roads and in big cities without compromising on storage and living space. Built with everything you need and nothing you don't, the LV5 is ready for full-time van living, weekend adventures, and everything in between. To learn more about the entire Dave & Matt Vans fleet, visit dmvans.com.